Realme has officially launched the Realme 16 Pro and Realme 16 Pro Plus in India today. The Realme 16 Pro and 16 Pro Plus feature AMOLED panels with curved and straight display options, offering a 144Hz refresh rate. The Realme 16 Pro sports a 6.78-inch flat AMOLED display, while the 16 Pro Plus features a 6.8-inch curved AMOLED screen. Brightness levels go up to 6,500 nits on the Pro Plus and 1,800 nits on the Pro. Powering the Realme 16 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Max chipset, while the Realme 16 Pro Plus runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 platform. Both are built on a 4nm process and paired with up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM. Run Android 16 out of the box with the latest Realme UI 7 on top. The Realme 16 Pro features an OIS-assisted 200-megapixel Samsung HP5 main camera paired with an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, while the Pro Plus adds a 50MP periscope telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom alongside a 200-megapixel OIS main camera and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Both devices include a 50-megapixel front camera, 7,000 mAh batteries with 80W fast charging. Realme 16 Pro 5G price in India starts at 31,999 rupees. The Realme 16 Pro Plus 5G price in India is set at 39,999 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.